Alright, this your boy here, you know what I'm saying? We at the Mirage. Let me see what time it is. You should already know what it look like. If you gotta... Yep, you heard it. Welcome. Let me hit a little light on this situation. Wet snacks. Nice wonderful TV area, sitting area. Might have went kind of fast on that, so let me cruise back over it. So you get a nice view. Damn. Yeah, I know. Pretty amazing, huh? Guess what that's what that A meant. For amazing. Alright, let's go on back here to the bedroom area. A nice little lounger. What the heck, where the TV at? Let me put a remote. Oh, there go the TV. Yeah. Mess with y'all like I ain't know that. Fisher. That's real nice. Mirage. Now let's take a look in this bathroom. What we got? Nice stand up walk-in shower. Ooh, look at that jacuzzi tub. Wow. Nice and big, nice and clean, everything nice and clean. You know you're a fisher if you got a hamper in your room. Hamper. Still ain't finished. Powder area, whatever you want to call that. We got some nice sleepers. Yeah, this is pretty nice, ain't it? Yep. Commode room. Well equipped with bidet. Pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, my fault. I forgot to show y'all what the view might look like. Because I know y'all probably say, what kind of view they get? Well, we about to see. Nah, you can see. Yeah. Got the volcano right there. You can watch out the room. This is fantastic. Fantastic. Shout out to the Mirage.